Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can play Subway Surfers online with friends multiplayer. So yeah, I've been playing Subway Surfers for like a long time, and I can tell you how I could do some multiplayer. So actually, first of all, you must firstly have to add some friends. Now that's the problem because I don't have those. Damn it. Okay, then after that, you can add some QR code or their gaming code. Or in fact, you can actually share yours. So, here's what I can say. It is actually teased, but Subway Surfers is testing new multiplayer features in some regions. So, keep your game updated, and you might soon be able to race live with your friends. So, for now, that is all I can tell you, and we just look forward to what we have in store from the developer. So, I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.